just to show they're both having something which is it's really good. They don't like it, but if they get hungry they'll eat it. Okay Roxy, I'm coming. Are you lost, Roxy? I'm coming, baby. I'll go see Roxy now. Freddy, where are you going? Freddy! Hey Fred. Ginger still looks a bit sick. Fred looks a lot better. He wants out, of course, but he can't. They don't like the food very much. The special doctor, it must taste like bananas. You can only imagine what it tastes like. Get his tail, baby. Still, we know all that. Are you always going to be that colour, or is it just the sunshine that's done that to you? One white cat, all the white cats are accounted for, they all came back, no problems. I'm pleased to report. Hey Fred, he looks great now. That's it Fred, get him Fred, get him Freddy. I've been working all afternoon on a vacuum cleaner. Can you believe it? A vacuum cleaner. All it is a plug, a lead, a switch and a motor. And a trunk. And I still can't fix it. And I'm pooped. Aren't we, Rengo? Because it's hot in that garage. Yeah, it's very hot. So I haven't had a chance to make any videos today. Either good or bad. But I just thought I'd let you see these little blighters. She's found her voice, she actually speaks now, but I don't know whether that's a good sign or a bad one. She looks a bit better than she was, a lot better than she was, but she's still not, doesn't look great to me. She doesn't have the eyes on how they should be. But eyes has always been a problem. Yes, baby. The eyes are a good indication of the health of your cat. Whoa. Well, Humphy, that was a bit silly, wasn't it? Where's the cheese twins? Where's the McCheese twins? The battery still work? Yeah. Get him, Rengo. Get him, Sheriff. You show them, boy. Rengo just turns it upside down. I know, baby. Give it 5 days, baby, and then you'll be able to come out, I think. Ah, good. Eat it, Fred. Even though it's poopy. It's better than nothing, Fred. Good lad. You eat something too. Ginger. Eat. That's an order. What is it, Stefan? Stefan, what is it, baby? Get it, Stefan. Get it, Stefan. Get it, Rengo. I think I'm going to go for a lay down in a darkened room. See you guys. Bye.